Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday, everyone. How we doing today? It's fucking Friday. I probably shouldn't stream right away, but I can't help myself. I'm excited. Number go up. We're streaming. We're waiting for our GPU delivery still. But it is what it is. It's gonna be a fun time. Let me go show the stream really quick to my friends, my peers, and strangers as well. Guys, hit the like button on your way in. Thank you for joining me. Woo! See if we can get some new folks today. Guys, number go up. Number go up everywhere. We got Bitcoin going up. Our subscribers is going up. We got a 25% increase since 2 days ago, which is huge. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Main point of concern right now is Bitcoin closing our daily candle above 68K. We got an hour and 3 minutes until that happens, the daily close. Happy Friday, guys. Let's go check our liquidation heat map and update our liquidation points on our charts. Go to symbol. Ooh, uh-oh. This is kind of scary. 68, 129. There's a big one. That's totally gonna hit. Are you kidding me? They better fix that. That's a big one. Then we got 68, 27, 67, 874. 68, 27. This is scary, guys. 67, 874, I think I said. Okay, and then above, we got, I'll just go 69, 1, 69, 250, and then 69, 5. 69, 1, 69, 250, and then 69, 5. The big one up here is 69, 5. Hopefully, they just take the big liquidity on, I mean, kind of on both ends would be bullish. Guys, we got an hour until the daily close. Let me go check the tracking on my GPU. I hope it gets here today. It says it's still on track to get here today. I don't think it's going to, though. Yeah, it says arrives today. It supposedly left Memphis, Tennessee at noon. And that's a 12-hour drive from Memphis, Tennessee to where I live. So there's no way this thing's getting here by 9 p.m. like it says. It's also USPS, which doesn't deliver at these ridiculous hours of the day. It says Friday, October 18th by 9 p.m. I mean, if it gets here, that'd be amazing. I don't think it's going to, though. What's going on, Fahid? We might have a slight GPU delay by 24 hours, which is why we've been saying either today or tomorrow for the off the grid stream. Bitcoin's looking good. We got our new liquidation points up on our dirty chart. The closest one is quite large. It's below us. So some bulls got a little excited. 68 129 liquidation. That might bring us down. But there's also a really, really big one at 69.5. So there's potential on both ends. So far, we're looking really good, especially since yesterday and this morning. This morning's Pumpy stream was pretty sick. I got paid. We got to do DCA day. We got to get some ETH into our wallet so that we can do our ETH memes. Let's see. I guess I'll get that going right now. I'm not sure how long it'll take. It should be pretty fast, shouldn't it? What would be cheaper for me to like buy something and convert it for my DCA? Like if I'm gonna put $100 in my DCA right now, but I only wanted to spend like 20 on our ETH for our ETH memes, would it be easier for me to buy the 20 separately? Or like what am I trying to do? I guess it depends on how Coinbase wants to do it. Let's go through total 3. Oh my gosh. This is pretty sick, guys. I'm super pumped for this. This dumb line that I drew on total 3. I don't think I've ever been this accurate before. It's weird. It's freaking me out. Let's see. I want to buy. What do I want to buy? Okay. And then I'm going to buy some ETH. I'm going to do 30 just because I know we need some money for fees. Which kind of stinks, but oh well. We'll survive. Okay. Let me refresh. How you guys doing on this fine Friday evening? Fahid said, when Asia saved the day? Fahid, I don't know actually. That's a good question. Isn't it? I guess they wouldn't open tomorrow. But the market open would be around. Is it 8? What time EST do Asian markets open? Asian. Okay. 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Is that EST? I don't understand. Show me an EST. Let's see. United States, local hours of operation. Okay. Canada, Mexico, South America, Europe, Asia, Japan, Tokyo. Okay, EST, 8 p.m. That's what I thought. So it's 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. There you go, Fahid. Clint said, I'm feeling like a fat ass. Ate way too much pizza. Clint, I almost bought pizza today. I was thinking about it, but I opted out. I instead chose to buy a crap ton of food for my freezer and for my fridge and my cabinets. Pizza's delicious, though. I'm not going to say that it's not worth it. It's just expensive, man. I could go with the $5 hot and ready, or whatever it is now, $6 or whatever. It's good, but I like Jets, dude. I don't know if you guys do. You guys have Jets? You guys should have Jets down in Ohio. Clint, you know what? I might lose some subscribers for this, but I'm gonna show you guys my favorite pizza from Jets. It might be considered controversial. No. Let me see, let me see, let me see. It's pretty weird. It's pretty weird. It's the BLT pizza. It's so it's so fucking good. It's literally just like cheese bread with BLT ingredients on it. And oh my gosh. I can't even explain it. It's fucking delicious. You know what? I might I might order some. Is that fucked up? Maybe I'll save it. Maybe I'll save it for tomorrow. Never heard of Jets? Really? It's definitely, I know for sure that it's a Michigan franchise. And it's Detroit deep dish. This is the greatest pizza I've ever had in my entire life. And I've been to Chicago. I've had Chicago style. Jets puts every other style of pizza to shame. And that's coming from an Italian and a Frenchman. I don't know if there's a debate between the two of which one discovered pizza, if that's just in my brain. Jets pizza, BLT pizza, fucking delicious. Highly recommend. It's up there with Ventimiglia's subs. Guys, I drew this random line on the total 3, and it's like playing out, and it's freaking me out. It's messing with my brain. Let me get my ETH over to my Phantom wallet. Send crypto. Oh, based on input from, I think, Dave, I did put a Bitcoin wallet address and a ETH wallet address in the description for donations, guys. What does the stream look like? Do I have... Okay, no, I don't have the thing. Let me pull up our little graphics really quick because I'm proud of them. Guys, we got 21% for subscriber or face reveal goal option 1, 126 subscribers, which is a pretty big deal. You guys are legends. Face reveal option 2, we are at $110 out of a $500 goal, which I believe is 22%. You guys are also legends for that. If you are looking to donate, it's in the description. Moving on, though. I am transferring ETH to my Phantom so that we can ape into some memes. Damn, Coinbase fees are out of control. Wait. Here we go. Okay. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Here we go. Preview send. Yep. Alright, I gotta get the confirmation text. Bitcoin's holding up. We do have a liquidation level really, really close to where we're at, but it looks like Bitcoin's kind of going up off of that, which is really good. We don't want that liquidation to hit because then that would liquidate some bulls and that would bring the price down a little more. But we're bouncing off a bit, which is amazing. That's what we want to see. Let's go look at ETH. ETH looks good. Guys, I did draw another line on ETH, and it looks like it's not doing what I drew, which is great. I hope I'm wrong. This was strictly based on this right here. Same thing. Spike in liquidity. Brought it down, brought it up, brought it down hard. Spike in liquidity, brought it down, brought it up, brought it down hard. Maybe it still happens. We'll have to see. If that does happen, then I imagine it wouldn't bode well for alts. Sol looks good. Ada looks eh. Snack looks really good, actually. They dumped pretty much the whole move from yesterday, and they recovered the whole thing today, which is what we like to see. Sui, number go up. C, number go up. Cass, numbers start to go up. Okay, it is holding this trend line. This is what I wanted to see on Cass, guys. It was getting a little scary. That might be a trade there, because that is a longer term trend. Not financial advice. If you choose to trade that and you lose all your money, it's not my fault. Chainlink. Number go up. Guys, Chainlink, I'm going to keep preaching about it. Chainlink is the only oracle I truly trust. I've seen other oracles fail, and when they fail, stablecoins get fucked up. So, I only trust Chainlink. Fahid said, I haven't had pizza in a long time. I don't want to be taking pills for the rest of my life. Fahid, don't say those things. That freaks me out, man. I just want pizza. What do you mean taking pills for the rest of your life? Are you talking about, like, fucking up your diet and it messing with your digestive tract? Because, to me, it sounds kind of worth it. Have you had Jets Pizza? I'm just kidding, guys. Take care of yourself. Take care of your bodies. Good for you, Pete. Dot. Every time I look at this, it makes me sad. It's very depressing, but it is holding that lower trend line, which is good. But man, this thing is sitting at bear market lows from like the forever bear. Look at this. Ugh. So gross. You could have bought this in 2020. You could have bought this in 2020 and it would be at the same price. That sucks. That sucks so bad, guys. Clint said, Link is my biggest alt bag? No fucking way, Clint. That's awesome. He also said that he eats his soup out of a straw. Hopefully it's not. I hope at least that it's not a paper straw. At least treat yourself. And don't... I guess maybe you could... The fiber's probably really good for you. Out of the paper. That, oh, my ETH showed up right away. Very nice. Okay, so we can DCA into some ETH memes today, which is exciting. And we already have some Sol sitting in our bag. Okay, very good. Let's see, Doge. Doge has been super pumpy. All the Doge people are very excited. It looks great. I'm excited for this. When Doge pumps, people start to pay attention. I think this is wonderful. And let's see, is there bullish div on the 4-hour? Nope. Just kind of, there was. No, there was not. There was not. There has not been bullish div on the 4-hour. There is bearish div though. Uh-oh. It's over long-term time frame though. 4-hour. It's probably could be present on the daily as well. So I'd like to see it continue up so that I could break this if the RSI goes up high enough. Not that much higher, actually. And it'll be okay. But we'll see what happens. You guys got anything you want me to look at? Let me know in the chat. We don't discriminate. It can be any alt you want. I don't care if it's PP coin. Which we do have to check on. I got my chai latte. Chugging it down. It's gonna get me bouncing off the walls. Let's see. Fahid said plastic straws bad, paper straws bad, most straws bad. That's true. That's very true. Clint said thanks to Scanderson, I'm still down on Doge. Hoff said, yo! What's going on, Hoffs? Happy Friday. Bitcoin's holding up. We're going through the alts really quick. Poll. Man, this thing is depressing. This is worse than Polkadot. This is what happens when you change your name 14 times. You look like a fucking scammy asshole. Although, on the 4-hour, there is bullish div. So they do have that going for them. Maybe it's not all bad. We'll see what happens. We'll see if that plays out. But right now, it looks like shit. Near looks wonderful. I just like Near. I'm biased towards this one, so probably best to not listen to a word I say about it. Chili's. Hawks holds Chili's. It's going up for him. He's doing great. He might be able to retire again. Very cool. PHB. Oh, PHB. This thing's just been going up nonstop. The RSI is going down. That's bullish div. That's pretty sick. Bath showed us this one. The blue lines are points of interest based on high volume spikes. Same with CFX, same thing. Blue lines, points of interest based on high volume spikes. Hoff said, when Clint Cashapp for face reveal, shake my fucking head. Clint said, sub Hoffs, Arkansas looking to upset LSU tomorrow. Fahid said, LOL Anderson, I'll give it to him. Some memes he goes into, how done? Well, it's like 50-50 with the memes. Clint said, check out FOMO for old time's sake. Clint, I did look at FOMO. Somebody's buying. I will say. I'll pull it up afterwards though. DXY is coming down. Let's fucking go. That's what we want to see. Fuck the US dollar. Even though when we take profits, we're going to take profits in US dollars, so calm down. Holy shit. Silver's hitting an all-time high. Or, I'm sorry, not an all-time high. Calm down. Silver's hitting a local high. That's pretty cool. So far, this is the highest it's been in quite some time. I wonder why that happened. That came out of nowhere. Very cool, guys. Cool to see the legacy investments actually do something for unicorns. The NASDAQ is just chilling right up at all-time highs. S&P, let's take a quick update on the Ass Fractal. The Ass Fractal looks amazing, guys. We have never seen a finer looking Ass Fractal than this one. This is a beautiful Ass Fractal. It's got the perfect curvature. It's very large, very voluptuous Ass Fractal. It's called the Ass Fractal because I pulled it out of my ass and I digitized it using technology that is not currently available to the public. But so far, I look like a genius. Also, another line that I drew that makes me look like a genius on Total Free right now. I literally drew this when we were here on October 15th, and it has followed my line exactly to a T. You're welcome. If you guys traded this, you're welcome. Fahid said, we did Cletus yesterday. Someone keeps buying FOMO. LOL. Hop said, is your betting line back online? Clint said, LOL, no way. Fahid said, I'm betting DK Dev is buying. I don't know. I feel like he would show up if he was still buying. Let's go take a look at it really quick. Oh, damn. I would have bought the shit out of this if I seen it. Satan, are you kidding me? That's fucking hilarious. Let's go take a look at FOMO, guys, for all time's sake. We gotta find the right one. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. FOMO. There's a lot of FOMOs out there. Horse Guy AI. We got a 54% candle and then a 70% candle since October 14th. Two decent sized buys. Let's see where they're at. They'll probably be here. $75, $111, $75, $36, $37. Meme season's kicking off, guys. People are buying this thing. It's getting out of hand. Exercise caution. It is a extremely low market cap. But the contract is locked and verified. We know this project very well. If you're interested in the lore, join the Discord in the description and we can tell you all about it. There is currently a Loch Ness Monster dragon, or possibly even just a horse guy, in the RSI right now. Check it out. So yeah, horse guy. Number go up. Let's see, we're at 125 subs. Guys, hit the like button on your way in. Appreciate you guys for being here. Moo Dang is pumping. We did FOMO into this, I think, yesterday. Either yesterday, not like last night, or this morning. I don't remember, but we are up. Let's check on our portfolio. Keep in mind, I did just deposit $30 in ETH, so it's going to be up. And we have moved stuff around. Dark Magician Girl, Moonbag is just kind of doing nothing. Flying Spaghetti Monster, Moonbag doing nothing. Popo, Moonbag doing nothing. Popo, we took insane profits on. Flying Spaghetti Monster, we took some decent profits on. Flying Spaghetti Monster. Dark Magician Girl went absolutely apeshit crazy. We sold this thing just below our target. We had a target of 15 and we sold it around 12.8, I think. Right here. We didn't want to get greedy. It spiked all the way up here. Went past our sell order. But we front ran it, I think, back here. We sold at 12.45. Just to lock in our profits. We didn't want to be greedy and wait for a higher number. There's no sense in doing that. Lock in profits, guys. Let's take a look at Splo. Splo is a long-term hold for me. It is a SWE meme coin. It was already, like, community takeover. Already happened on it. The dev rugged, and the guy that helped facilitate the community takeover is an artist, and he's just churning out the art nonstop, and it's pretty hilarious. Like, I believe that they're working on an NFT project as well, which I'm probably gonna throw money at because I'm a sucker for fun art. Come on, how are you gonna fade this? I don't know. It's too good for me. I can't stop looking at it. It makes me happy. I might lose all my money. Exercise caution with anything that we look at. Let's see what else we got. Moodang. Moodang is up 16% in the last 24 hours. Very cool. Look at how adorable. I just love this picture. It's freaking awesome. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin again really quick. Bitcoin's holding up. Guys, we did put our new liquidation points on the chart. The big one right now, the big concerning one, is at 68,129 or 68,130. Let me see. Yeah, 68,129. There's $150 million sitting there up for grabs. Let's refresh this and make sure that it's up to date. Yeah, bounced right off that. Wow. Wow. I would be sweating so bad. 159 million and it bounced right off that. That's scary, man. I hope they don't add to it, because if they do, they're for sure going to spike down here and take that. We got 39 minutes until the daily close. Let's go look at some more memes. Moodang is doing good. We'll just do an update on our current memes. We got Lock-In, which Bath told us to wait for a 90% pullback, so we're waiting on this. Bath gives the advice and we pay attention. XD RAR, we bought this at 15. We just aped in. We didn't wait for a pullback or anything. We could have, but we didn't. Let's go back to the watch list. Popo. Popo is above our original buy. Just chilling. Not really doing a whole lot. I do like the choppy sideways, though. This thing reached a $4 million market cap, which is about where we sold, and it came back down to 2, and now it's just kind of establishing a base. Bass said wait for it to hit 2 and then watch it establish a base afterwards. So if this thing establishes a base down here at 2 or around $2 million market cap, then maybe we'll buy more. We'll have to see. Used car. Used car looks great. This is a classic meme. This is pretty old, but it's just ramping up like crazy. It looks great. Very excited about it. $8.7 million market cap. It's a little bit on the higher end for us. We like the more degen-esque meme coins. Klaus, I believe Dave got into Klaus. He said he made a crap ton of money. He took some profits. We looked at it for him down here. We didn't buy any. But if we did, and we held it till this exact point today, we'd still be up 150%, which is pretty sick. Klaus is literally just the fish from American Dad. I don't think that they're directly affiliated with them, but it is what it is. Clint said, are you using Bat's indicator thing on your chart? Clint, I am not, actually. He said that he kind of shelved the indicator. I haven't really learned how to install it or look at it, but that would be a good thing to check out for sure, if Bath is cool with it. I don't know if you've been here, Clint, but a lot of the information that Bath gave us helped us determine this entire move that Bitcoin made. The whole fucking thing. Like, Bitcoin came up here, and Bath said, look for us. I believe it came up here. Bath said, look for areas between 64.1 and 64.3. And Bitcoin rejected off of that twice, broke through it. And then we had our own lines on the chart that Bitcoin rejected off of. It came right back down here. And then Bath said, like, I believe while it was over here-ish, Bath said that there was an area at 60,600 and 60,200 probably, that Bitcoin was going to pull back down to that. And everyone was like, nah, you're crazy. So we put it on the chart. We called it the bathtub. Bitcoin came right the fuck back down there. And then it went right up to his lines that we drew up here of his. And rejected off of it. Came down to the bathtub again. And then came out of here, broke through those lines, and continued to the upside. The other lines are our purple lines, which are the short-term or mid-term trend lines, which are just kind of mimicking the price action and resistance levels that we've had in the past, like here, 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 here. And Bitcoin is like perfectly playing off of all of these levels. We have the bull fractal, which is right here. It was originally over here. When Bitcoin started going down, we saw the W happening, so we scooted it over. We also have the bear fractal on the clean chart, which we're estimating could happen down here. And we did move the bear fractal as well. Both fractals have been moved, but the bear fractal is currently in shambles. As you can see, the bull fractal is winning. Now, again, this is for you, Clint, because I feel like you've been absent. I'm going to catch you up. On the 4 hour, we have a big-ass inverse head and shoulders, which we've been watching, which is right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. The target for that is 77,700, which is this purple line. We got the bull fractal, which is just a fractal. It's just an idea. It doesn't mean anything, but it's there. And then we also have there's bullish divergence on the 4-hour, which is currently playing out. Right here, the price went down and the RSI went up. So we watched the bullish divergence play out, which is great. It's still playing out. And then these lines up here are from a tweet by the Bitcoin Archive. At the time of their tweet, I think Bitcoin was around 60K, and they measured the average returns for Bitcoin for every single October, every single November, and every single December. And based on those returns, the price targets are as follows: 80,500 for October, 89,300 for November, and 106,700 for December. And that is strictly based on the average returns from Bitcoin for every single one of those months since inception. So that's it. You're all caught up. Guys, Bitcoin is not going to hit that liquidation point, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Manifest it. Get your DCA in right now so that we can support the cause. Not financial advice. If you get rugged, it's not my fault. Let's read the chat really quick. Beat said we are using Clint's indicator of 2050. Clint said, funny what the heat. Drew said, hey gang, can't watch now, but I'ma let the iPad play. Appreciate you, Drew. I appreciate the view time. You're a legend. He said, listen to Clint and don't be a bitch. Only 3 likes, what the hell? The heat said, what anime in here? I don't know. I think anime is on a hiatus right now. Taking a little break. Everybody needs a break every once in a while. Alright, guys. Let's read some articles. We got 33 minutes until the daily close. I'm going to warn you guys, these articles do not have dark mode. They do not have night mode, so shield your eyes. Here we go. Odds of Ethereum price rally to 3K increase, but a few red flags remain. Data points to an Ethereum price rally to 3,000, but the ETH charts imply that a few corrections could occur along the way. No shit. I hate it. I still hate it when they call it Ether. Either call it ETH or Ethereum. What is the point of adding 2 letters to the ticker? Nobody calls it that. Never heard anybody in crypto refer to it as Ether. Blows my mind. Ethereum price could be gearing up for a rally above $3,000, according to the technical chart pattern emerging on the daily chart. The analyst wrote in an October 17th X post, ETH inverse head and shoulder reversal price pattern has a short-term price target of 3K. Hell yeah. This is the inverse head and shoulders that we're measuring on pretty much everything, guys. That's what we like to see. I don't think that this is the left shoulder. I think this is the left shoulder right here. I guess you could measure the whole damn thing. It doesn't really matter. All-time high will come in 2025 Q1, but for now, I like $4,000. Very nice. Despite the optimistic predictions, Ethereum remains stuck in a 7-month downtrend, falling over 36% from its yearly high of 4,111 in March of 2024, which is when Bitcoin broke all-time highs, so it just makes sense. A sell-off to 2,400 could happen first. It's not a pattern I trade, but ETH could be forming a diamond reversal pattern. The objective is 2,485 if it confirms with a close below support. Let's go take a look at my bearish drawing on ETH and see if that actually correlates. Yeah, that's actually the exact target right here, 2,400. Damn. Could you imagine? Guys, I don't know why these stupid drawings that I keep making keep playing out. Maybe I should just draw one that goes straight up. Let's go to the next article. Stablecoins can benefit financial system, Fed governor says. The United States national debt has crossed $35 trillion, with $500 billion added to the government debt in the last 2 weeks alone. On October 18th, Federal Reserve Bank Governor Christopher Waller told an audience at the Institute of Advanced Studies that well-regulated stablecoins could benefit the current financial system. Stablecoins can reduce the need for payment intermediaries and thereby reduce costs of payments globally, Waller stated, but immediately qualified his remarks by saying that stablecoin safety is not assured. The Fed official explained, if appropriate guardrails can be erected, that's pretty funny, to minimize run risk and mitigate other risks, such as their potential use in illicit finance, then stablecoins may have benefits in payments and by serving as a safe asset on a variety of new trading platforms. So basically,
a central bank digital currency. They want to mitigate the potential use for illicit finance. How do they do that with cash? The police? I don't know. I think it's stupid to say. Just use the damn stablecoins. Next article. BlackRock eyes build for derivatives collateral in a crypto exchange. BlackRock and Securitize are reportedly in talks to integrate build as collateral for derivatives trading on Binance, OKX, and Debirit. What is that? Debirit. I've never heard of that before. Asset manager BlackRock is reportedly pushing its money market digital token to be used as collateral in cryptocurrency derivative trading. According to an October 18th Bloomberg report, the company is in talks to integrate its BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund BUILD token with the trading systems of major crypto exchanges such as Binance, OKX, and Debirit. Brokerage firm Securitize is reportedly a partner in the initiative. The move would expand BUILD's use as collateral, widening the competition with stablecoins that are largely used as collateral for crypto derivatives trading, such as Tether USDT. Why is the D lowercase? CC data revealed that the derivatives account for over 70% of the total crypto trading volume in September, with about $3 trillion in crypto derivatives contracts traded on centralized exchanges. Very cool. I'm not going to read the whole thing. You guys can check out the rest of it if you're interested. But BlackRock doing anything in crypto is bullish for crypto long term. That's what we like to see. Institutional adoption. BlackRock is the end-all, be-all institution. They pretty much rule the world. If they like crypto, you should like crypto too. Freedom Factory unveils ETHOS mobile hardware for Ethereum ecosystem. Users must first mint a non-fungible token on the base layer 2 network to redeem the NFT for the upcoming crypto native device. Freedom Factory, the team behind the ETHOS operating system, has unveiled a new mobile device called the dgen1. That's fucking awesome. Whoever came up with that name is a genius. This is marketing brilliance. That's what we love to see. An on-chain device used to interact with Web3 applications, decentralized finance protocols, and to sign transactions on Ethereum. The device is built on ETHOS, which is cool, a fork of the Android operating system, and features a built-in web browser, touchscreen, audio speaker, and a separate screen that displays transaction metadata. However, dgen1 does not appear to have telecommunication capabilities. A key feature of the dgen1 is the light node client on the device, meaning prospective users will not have to rely on third-party remote procedure call RPC nodes to interact with the blockchain. Is this what it looks like? That's actually really cool. What does it do though? Is this for me to like connect to the Wi-Fi and trade with? Hardware to drive blockchain adoption. This is neat. I like this idea. I feel like there's potential. It's slated for release in the first half of 2025. It will be compatible with the Steam Online Game Store and blockchain games built on Sui. So is it for gaming? Or is this a different thing? On September 3rd, Miston Labs, the firm behind the Sui blockchain, announced it was taking pre-orders for its Sui Play 0x1 device, a gaming handheld similar to Steam. Okay, I understand. How many games are launched on Sui right now, though? Because the biggest one that I'm concerned with is Off the Grid, and that's on Avalanche. That's on an Avalanche sidechain. Interesting. During the same month, Solana announced its upcoming Seeker smartphone device. Spokespeople for the Solana Labs touted the upcoming phone as a rewards magnet and promised the new phone would not rely heavily on Memecoins. This represents a departure from Solana's previous Saga phone, which sold out due to a Memecoin airdrop. Users were guaranteed 30 million BONK tokens if they purchased a smartphone, and following a 1,100% increase in the price of the Memecoin, this made the $1,000 phone an attractive purchase. Yeah, wasn't it like more... I think you actually got money. It was like profitable to have the phone, which is pretty crazy. Guys, hit the like button on your way in. Appreciate you guys for being here. It's Friday. We got 25 minutes until the daily close. We got 6 people watching. We've been streaming for 39 minutes. Let's go to the next article. This one's more of a warning. Fake Coinbase website leads to $20 million fraud and a 5-year sentence. Phishing scam netted a fraudster luxury cars and foreign vacations and then a prison sentence. Be careful with your crypto, guys. Make sure you always verify the website that you're on. Always verify the address that you're sending to. Always verify the NFT that you're interacting with. Any of that stuff. Don't send money to random people on the internet for stupid reasons. Just be careful with your bags. If somebody messages you and they're like, hey man, I can get you in on this project for this much money and whatever the fuck, it's more than likely a scam. I'm sure there's outliers and you can use your own judgment, but just be careful. Bitcoin whale accumulation mirrors 2020 trend where Bitcoin rallied 550%. New and old Bitcoin wallets have been gobbling up BTC, mirroring a 2020 trend that saw the assets rally by 550%. With Bitcoin price making a run to the $70,000 level, whale wallets are accumulating Bitcoin at a speed which closely resembles July 2020 to January 2021, when Bitcoin rallied by 550%. According to Wu Mingqiu, a verified author on CryptoQuaint, this historical trend has investors excited about a potential Bitcoin breakout. As illustrated in the chart below, the Bitcoin rail ratio on spot exchanges is currently similar to the ratio observed around July 2020 after the COVID-induced crash in March. Hell yeah. The author indicated that the whales continue to accumulate Bitcoin despite short-term price volatility as they are positioning themselves for long-term price increase. In an ex post, Woon Mingqiu said, whales are ready to welcome FOMO by dumb money. Previously, Cointelegraph reported that whale wallets had accumulated over 1.5 million Bitcoin over the past 6 months, and each of these wallets represented more than 1,000 Bitcoin, 68 million at current value. Hell yeah. New whale wallets represent 9.3% of the total supply. Very cool. Chris Grasso said, yo, what's good? What's good, Chris Grasso? Thank you for joining us. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin really quick. Bitcoin is breaking out. Hopefully solidifying that breakout. We are looking for a daily close today, which is in 22 minutes, above 68,000. Hopefully we get that. The green lines are liquidation points based on the liquidation heat map, which we'll probably update just before the close, just to make sure. We got big ones and we got little ones. The big ones have more money involved. Let's go to the next article. This is the last article, guys. MicroStrategy set for gains. Don't fear the premium, analyst says. Benchmark analyst Mark Palmer has raised his price target for MSTR stocks to $245 per share from $215. Very cool. MicroStrategy shares are set for further gains even though the stock already trades at a 2.3x premium to the net asset value of the company's Bitcoin portfolio, according to an October 18th analyst report shared with Cointelegraph. The company's stock, MSTR, could be worth $245 per share if MicroStrategy continues to leverage its balance sheet to buy more Bitcoin and starts lending out the digital currency for low-risk yield, according to benchmark fintech analyst Mark Palmer. Shares of MSTR currently trade at around $206. Palmer raised his price target for MicroStrategy from his previous estimate of $215. Yeah, premium. Interesting. So it's gone almost as high as seven times its actual value of the Bitcoin bags. Chris Grasso said, love to check out new channels. What's your thoughts on Dog Go to the Moon? Meme coin on Bitcoin mainnet. They just split 10-1 a few weeks ago. Very cool. Chris, I had Dog. I don't have any more, but I was bullish on it. I happened to buy the local top, which is why I got rid of it, because it was just going down, man. Let's go take a look. I do like runes. I like runes and what's the other thing called? I don't remember. Dog Go to the Moon. Let's look at the chart on a, what is this, 1 month? Yeah, I bought it around like 9. I was so pissed. But I mean, it's maintaining that level, which looks good. I guess I like it. I really do. The only problem that I have is it's so slow to transact on Bitcoin. But everything else that Bitcoin has going for it, it's used to its strength. Whereas the current front of meme coins and stuff like that, it's really fast. Like trading on Sol is ridiculously fast. I was very anti Sol a couple of weeks ago, and I started trading on Sol when I started streaming, and I get it, man. I get it. I've fallen in love with it since then. But I think runes, I think Bitcoin, anything, Bitcoin assets, Bitcoin NFTs, Bitcoin meme coins, I think the Bitcoin ecosystem is in its infancy. So I think it would be stupid to not own some of this. Clint said, "Stop reading War and Peace to me and check the comments, noob." I have that. MSTR split. LOL. I have a BRC20 NFTs, and then got the Runestone airdrop to me. Then the 889,000 dog coins. Hell yeah. When Bitcoin maxis realize what's going on with runes, I believe we are going to the moon. This coin is only 6 months old. Yeah, man. It's got a high market cap though. That's the only thing. But that doesn't really mean anything because there's meme coins with like several $billion market caps. So, but I agree. I think once Bitcoin maxis realize that they can build an ecosystem on their beloved Bitcoin, I think it's gonna go crazy. But we'll have to see what happens. I'm excited for it. I think it's definitely bullish. I wish that they could integrate some faster form of transacting. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that I'm waiting for. I think if they do that, I think that they've struck gold at that point. Because Bitcoin's everyone's like golden child, so if they can perfect like an ecosystem which has instant buys and sells, I think that they'll go crazy. But yeah, I think assets on Bitcoin, I think the Bitcoin ecosystem, that's a complete win. Guys, Bitcoin looks great right now. Let's go refresh the liquidation heat map. Symbol 12-hour. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking real good. 69.1, 69.250, and then 69.5. Yep. And then below us, we got this 68.129, 68.27, 67.874. Yep. So yeah, the only concern is this big liquidation point right below us. If they grab that, then it'll probably go down a little bit further. But I would like to see the daily close, which is in 17 minutes. I would like to see that happen above 68,000. Clint said, "I got to read up on runes. Know slightly less than nothing about it." I'm not sure how they did it, Clint, but they basically built an ecosystem on Bitcoin with it, and it is thriving on its own. Like they're kind of in their own little world right now. Not a lot of people know about them. Very interesting. A lot of people are talking about it though, so it's definitely they got the eyes. They got the eyes for sure. Let me see, guys. I'm gonna track my GPU. Anyone that's new, yeah, it's still saying that it's gonna arrive today. To anyone that is new, I am currently in the process of building a new streaming rig, and once it's complete, which all it requires now is the GPU. Once it is complete, we are going to do a live stream of Off the Grid, which is a blockchain game, a AAA blockchain game, based on a Avalanche sidechain, and it looks pretty sick. So I'm gonna play the trailer for you guys because I didn't get flagged for playing it the other day. It's really awesome looking. This is the first cryptocurrency based game I've seen that I'm excited for. People are playing it right now. It's available on the PS5. It's available on Xbox. It's available on PC. You don't need to do anything with crypto in order to play it. Doing anything with crypto doesn't make it better for you to play. It's just there's an option there for you to take the currency that you earn in the game and mint NFTs for the game with that currency, and then you can buy, sell, and trade the NFTs on secondary market. The game does not charge you for the NFTs. You don't have to pay for anything. You literally just play the game, earn the currency, use it for the NFTs. You can sell them on secondary market, or you can just use them to play the game. Let's watch the trailer. Okay, it's gonna get straight into it. Pretty cool. I'll let this play for a minute. I won't talk during it. You guys check this out.
It took a lot of hard work, but we finally completed it. And we are ready for our first globally broadcast Battle Royale! Welcome to the ultimate real-life gaming arena! It's all the thrill of online shooters, but in the real world! And you stand a chance of winning up to $100 million.
Obviously, this is going to attract everyone, not just ex-soldiers.
This is like Hunger Games happening in real life.
Players must undergo surgery in order to play.
They cut off your limbs, and they grow back by regen. And then they give you these cybernetic combat limbs and set you loose to go out and slaughter all your opponents. These people are just regular folks who have opted into total madness.
Technicians can literally resuscitate soldiers from death. Even extreme fatalities. They can regrow the patient from base tissue.
Okay, well, this is our floating surgical ship. It's where we bring our fallen players. And then within a couple of days, they're out playing again.
How much worse is this going to get? Are you really going to say nothing in defense of this despicable island of depravity that you are personally responsible for? What the? Oh my God, am I going insane? What's going on in the world?
I love this shit.
Welcome to the world's first real Battle Royale! You think you're tough? Sign up. Come on down to the island. Come test yourself for real.
So that's it. That looks so sick. I'm super excited for it. Whenever my GPU arrives, whenever that may be, it was supposed to arrive today, but it also, the last update says that it left Memphis, Tennessee at noon, and that's a 12-hour drive to where I live. But they're saying somehow they're gonna make the drive in 9 hours and get me the GPU before 9 p.m. tonight, even though it's the postal service. They don't even deliver that late, but I don't know. Maybe they'll show up. I don't know. Let's go check out Billy, which is another rune. $1 billion cat, $1 billion dog. Is it one of these or is it just Billy? I'm gonna assume it's this. No, or not. It's kind of silly that it doesn't show me the ticker. Cat. Let's see. Chris Grasso said, "What did I get? I got a 3060 Ti. I just got it off eBay. That's the only used part that I got, though. I got a bunch of new gear. I'm super excited about the case. The case, I only spent like $50 on the case, and it looks sick. It's got tempered glass on the side and shit. You said $1 billion cat, the top one, okay? Damn, That's a daily, weekly. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this thing looks like it went crazy. 103 sats to 100. So it's up 50% since the 15th. Wow. Sweet. Woo. I mean, depending on where you got in this thing, you're up tremendously. Hell yeah. I do like the picture too. And the Bitcoin B turned sideways. Smart. Smart marketing. Guys, we got 9 minutes until the daily close. Bitcoin's looking wonderful. Looks like the daily close is going to close bullish as fuck. We are bouncing off of several different trend lines. Turned previous resistance into support. Continued to the upside. Broke through the blue upper trend line, which is a very long-term upper trend line. Finally broke through that. And hopefully we get this close above it. And we can solidify some moonshot, guys. Little moonshot victory. I will say yesterday and the day before, these past 2 days, first candles closed above this blue line. It's been Wick City since before then. Yesterday and the day before, candle closed above. It's looking super bullish. We're excited. Chris Grasso said, yeah, it's been a good few weeks with runes. Chris Grasso, everyone's calling it a meme coin super cycle. They're saying it's never going to end, which I'm okay with them saying that because we're making money. We've been trading memes on the channel for a couple weeks now, and it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun. There's been some rugs, there's been some winners, you know. It's definitely it's a 50-50 game, but it's a fun time. You gotta go into it knowing that you're probably gonna lose a decent chunk of your money. We got 7 people watching, guys. Hit the like button. Appreciate you guys for being here. Let's see. Let's go refresh the liquidation heat map. Make sure this is good to go. We got 8 more minutes until the daily close. Symbol, 12-hour. Yeah, still looks the same. Cool. All right, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, we're looking good, guys. What are you guys doing this weekend? Anyone got any crazy plans? I'm gonna be lazy, especially if my GPU gets here. I'm gonna be playing video games the whole weekend. All right. Let's click through really quick. Total 3. Somehow following the exact line I drew. Complete accident. Happy accident though. We're happy when we accidentally predict the exact move that the market's gonna make. It's pretty cool. ETH disobeying the exact line that I drew, which we're also okay with. I'm gonna leave that on there though, just in case it does end up playing out. I can move this. I won't though. I'll leave it where it's at for now. We'll see what it does. The article that we read earlier did also verify that there's a possibility for it to pull back to 2400. I literally just drew this because it looked exactly like this price action. So we'll see. Maybe I have like the Rain Man sight when it comes to charts. Let's see what Sol looks like. Sol looks good. Looks very, very good. Sol really is the place for memes. I hope Sui can become that thing too, because I thoroughly enjoy Sui memes. Everyone's talking about Sui like it's the next Sol. So I feel like playing Sui memes is definitely a good play. Chris Grasso said, I'm in Florida where the hurricane hit. It got really cold after. I guess spiders come in when it's cold. I got bit by a black widow. The doc thinks I'm chilling. The doc thinks I'm chilling. Damn, Chris Grasso, that's fucking crazy. You're probably talking to the only crypto
streamer that likes spiders. I regularly have pet jumping spiders, and I work outside a lot, and whenever there's a spider in the way on a job site or whatever, I put them in my hat and I move them out of the way. That's crazy if you got hit by a black widow, though. That's fucked up. Our buddy Hoffs is also in Florida. You guys should meet up and trade tips on what hotels to stay in. But no, that's fucked up, man. I hope everything's okay for you guys. That's fucked up what happened with the fucking double hurricane. It's just crazy. Got out of hand. Clint said, see that Hoffs hoped you aren't scared of spiders down there in Tampa. Chris Rasso said, didn't even feel it. Yeah, that's crazy, man. I don't think I've ever been bit by a spider. I remember getting bit by a garter snake when I was a kid, and I legit thought I was going to die. I freaked out, because I was like, I used to play with them all the time. I'd see them in the yard, I'd pick them up, I'm like, oh, fucking cool, this is a snake. And then one of them bit me. It bit me like right in between my thumb and my pointer finger, and I ran into the house. I was like, I got bit by a snake, I'm gonna die. And my mom looked at it, she's like, you're fine. My dad like slapped it. He's like, you don't have anything to worry about. And I was like, are you sure? Are you sure I'm not gonna die? Spoiler alert, I did not die. It was just a garter snake. Doge is going absolutely crazy. I can't believe Doge is going that nuts. Chili's looks good. 4 hour looks good on all these. I still can't believe silver went crazy like that. That's insane. We got a dirty chart and we got a clean chart, just in case it gets a little too messy on the dirty chart. But I don't know. I used to make fun of people that had all this crap all over the charts, but I fully understand it now. This is what happens when you're like a reluctant technical analyst and you're starting to learn. Clint's laughing at me. Thinking I was gonna die by getting bit by a garter snake when I was a kid. I got bit by a mole too. I found a mole and I had it in like a little red Solo cup, and I thought it was the coolest thing. I was like, what is this freaky animal? And I thought I was gonna be able to keep it as a pet. And I went to go pet it and it bit me and it pissed me off. That one I didn't think I was gonna die. I was just mad. I was like, fuck moles. They're disgusting, dirty little bastards. And I set him free because I was pissed. I wasn't gonna keep his ass after he bit me like that. Fuck you. I was gonna make him a little house and everything. Little asshole. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. And I don't remember now. I don't know. We got 12 people watching, guys. Thank you for joining. We got 2 minutes until the daily close. We are looking for Bitcoin to close above 68K. If it does that, then we're gonna be excited. We're waiting for our GPU to arrive for our off-the-grid stream. It's allegedly still going to arrive today. They got an hour and 2 minutes to get it to me, but it's being delivered via USPS, so I don't think it's going to show up today. I don't know what they're doing. They're going to complete a 12-hour drive in 9 hours somehow. I don't know. It's getting crazy. But we'll see what happens. 1 minute until the daily close. Looking good, looking good. Maybe we'll get a big bust once the daily close hits. See what happens, see what happens. I'm so excited to play off the grid. Let's see. Daily close. We're still good. 68,424. Come on. 8 o'clock daily close. There it is. Let's get a pump. Come on, turn green. You can do it. I believe. Nothing's happening. Very anticlimactic daily close. That's okay, though. 15-minute looks great. We got our green liquidation. Man, I would be sweating so hard if I was these people. Like $130 million or something, 160 million. Just sitting there, and it got so close. You gotta be pretty ballsy to let that sit. Like, that's crazy. Ooh. I don't know, it got pretty sweaty there for a minute for the bulls. But we're looking good, guys. Daily close happened. We're golden. Happy Friday. We went through some articles. We looked at every single coin. We got to do some ETH meme coin hunting. Hopefully Bitcoin can turn green and get some pumpage going here. Guys, hit the like button on your way in or out, wherever you're going. Hit the like button. Appreciate you guys. We got 5 likes, 6 people watching. Hit the like button. We are at 126 subscribers, which is huge. Let's see, is that accurate to my scorekeeper? No, it is not. 126. So we gotta update this. Get that updated. Let me show that really quick. Guys, we got 126 subscribers out of our 600 subscriber goal. We are at 21% for the completion of that face reveal goal, option 1. Option 2, we are at $110 out of a $500 donation goal, which is 22%, I believe. Both goals are looking good. The face reveal option 1, though, is pumping, and that's exciting. We're excited for that. Bitcoin is just chilling. Let's go look at Total 3. Total 3 is turning green. Hell yeah. Let's go to the 4 hour so we can look at our line. Look at how smart we are. Look at that. We're damn geniuses. Chris Grasso said, how long have you been streaming? Do you trade? What's your streaming schedule? I usually stream every single day for the daily close. If it's crazy, I'll get on in the morning. If it's crazy, I'll get on at night. I guess I don't really necessarily have a schedule besides the daily close. I stream every single day. I think I've been doing it since September 28th. So it's been about 20 days. Yeah, it's been about 20 days. So we're getting about 100 subs every 10 days, 10 subs a day. It's been sick. There's definitely bullish div on the subscriber count. So if you would like to see my beautiful face, my bald head with my beautiful beard, then please share the stream. Like the stream, share it with your mom, share it with your grandma, share it with your best friends, whoever. The more subs, the merrier. If you guys are impatient, you can just send me money. Either one works. We're happy with either one. But we do have a goal. The end goal is to get the channel monetized so that we can start to bring you guys more quality content. It kind of started off just as an experiment. We were missing a streamer, and I stepped up. I had a computer, I had a crappy little mic, so I started streaming, and I kind of fell in love with it on accident. Was not expecting that, but I thoroughly enjoy it. I really do. Drew said, when shitcoin here, haha. Or we shitcoin here, haha. My mom listened the other day. Drew, I know. We said hi to your mom. Tell her I said hi again. Legendary mom. We do shitcoin. We do indeed shitcoin. So if you're looking for updates on that, you can check out our other streams. But on our watch list, let me show you. We bought and sold Dark Magician Girl. I don't remember where we bought it. We bought it down here. Probably at this, I think it was at this blue line. We bought it down here. We set a goal for 15. We set a sell order for 15. It went up to this 12.45 in this wick, and I didn't want to be greedy, so I sold there. It went up a little more, came back down, spiked all the way up, way past our original goal. But that's okay. We left a moon bag, and we still have the moon bag. But so we traded this. We made a lot of money on Popo as well. This thing went absolutely bonkers. We bought it down here at like a $800,000 market cap. We sold it at a $4 million market cap, and we still have a moon bag. We're waiting for it to pull back some more. It might not. It might just settle down, but this one we really liked. It was cute. Cute art. The art is the biggest seller for me for some reason. Used car, classic meme. We bought some of this. We still holding it. I think we might have taken a little bit of profit on this. I don't remember though. but that's more of a longer term hold. We also have Splo on SWE. We are very bullish on this specifically just because it is a SWE meme coin, and everyone's talking about SWE right now, so it's only inevitable that all the SWE memes are going to do well over time. Not financial advice. If you buy this and get rugged, that's not my fault. I just like the art. It's already been CTO'd. The dev rugged it and left, so the community took over, and the guy that helped lead the community takeover is an artist, and he's just churning out art nonstop, and it's adorable. I love it. I'm a sucker for good art. I'm a sucker for a solid community, and Splo has all of those things. But yeah, we got a couple of other pointless meme coins. The Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. I did not know this at the time of purchase, but they are a charitable meme coin. When they reached a $1 million market cap, they donated 100 spaghetti dinners to a homeless shelter, which I thought was really cool. But we have some of this. We sold it when it pumped up really quick, and we got a moon bag left over. And today we are going ETH meme coin hunting. Let's take a look at Bitcoin really quick. Bitcoin looks fine. Okay, let me read the chat really quick. Clint said, starts usually at 7 p.m. EST for his regular stream schedule. Drew said, great success. Clint said, what was a little dicey, the early lawsuit, right? Yeah, there were a couple of channel hacks. There's an individual named Corner that I can't really reveal any more information on. It is channel lore. If you're interested, go back, watch the old streams. It gets pretty hectic, but he's currently in hiding. Me and Clint are in limited communications with him. We're helping him figure out his compound was raided. There's a lot to it. I won't get into it, but it got a little scary for our friend Corner. Let's see. Moodang is pulling back a little bit, which is fine. It's on the 15 minute. Let's go to the 4 hour. Might curl down. We'll have to see. Our watch list. Okay, so our ETH memes. We got Apu, Klaus, Kekek, and Cocaine. Cocaine kind of rugged, it seems. That sucks. Maybe we'll buy some, though. It's only $500,000 market cap. Did this thing like CTO or something? What happened? Drew said we have some good lawyers at JJsCrypticCorner. Fahid, the fierce is unstoppable. Have we done GOAT yet? Fahid, we have not done GOAT. Let's go look at GOAT. Goatsius Maximus, which is another Clint coin besides his Boomer coin. This thing just won't stop going up. This is a big L for JJsCrypticCorner. We looked at this very early on, and we said, you could probably go find the clip. I literally looked at it down here, and I looked at the holders, and I said, this thing, like word for word, you can quote me, I said, this thing's totally gonna rug. And then it went to $400 million market cap. So GOAT made me look like a complete jackass, unfortunately. Two different animals. I'm the bad one. This thing's going crazy. There's bullish div immediately on the 15 minute. Price going up, RSI going down. Let's check the higher time frames, the 1 hour. 1 hour. So the bullish div that was present on this is fizzling out. I think it's gone now. Originally it was price going up, RSI going down. But now the RSI is going up with the price. So the bullish div that's there is gone. The daily has not enough information for the daily. I can't believe this thing went that hard. That's crazy. Let's see, 5.9 million in liquidity. The top holder has 4.1 million. So this guy could almost one clip. Hopefully it's a burn wallet. But I don't know. It is not a burn wallet, guys. This guy's just throwing money at it. Wow. Damn. Bro's got a lot of loose change. Whew. Clint said, is GOAT that AI Twitter bit thing? Bot. I don't know. It might be. Priceless GOAT running laps on JJ. That was 4 hour, not 1 hour. Yeah. Did I say 1 hour? The 15-minute has bullish div. The bullish div that was on the 4 hour is gone now. The 1 hour, there is bullish div on the 1 hour that just happened. Right there. It's faint, but it is there. It's 3 and the 6%. Again, that's at your discretion if you think it played out or not, because it got a 9% like spike. But we'll have to see what happens. It is a $400 million market cap. This is above what, at least me, what I'm comfortable buying as far as memes are concerned. But I love this thing. I like it when I say some dumb shit like down here, like this thing's totally gonna run. And it just proves me wrong and makes me look like a complete jackass, because that means people are making money. And that's pretty sick. Guys, the number 1 coin today is Satan, which is kind of hilarious. There's probably so many people freaking out about this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna get into it. So lock-in. We're waiting for a decent pullback. Still. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. We'll have to see if Bass shows up, if he advises a FOMO on lock-in or not. Go to the watch list again. The soul memes are pretty chill. Nothing really happening on the soul memes. The base, so I'd have to wrap my ETH to go buy stuff on base. But we got a couple of base coins. What about fungi? Yeah, no, this is a Murad coin. I don't know if I'm going to buy this, honestly. Because he also has cocaine. And this thing took a nosedive, pun intended. Guys, I'm super excited. I filmed a bunch of puns at work today, and I'm going to upload them to YouTube Shorts. I'm really excited for my YouTube Shorts puns. Happy Friday, guys. Bitcoin closed above 68K on the daily, which is awesome. That's what we were looking for. You guys saw this morning's stream. That's what we mentioned we wanted to see. It got a little pumpy, so we had to jump on emergency morning stream. It was a short one, but it was a good one. 68,423 is where we closed. Very cool, very cool. Almost 69,420. About $997 off. He said like the stream and subscribe if you're new. Exactly, guys. Listen to Fahid. He's the smartest guy in the chat. He's also the most good looking. He's nice enough to grace us with his presence. He's a legend. He's inspired a lot of lore. He is also the latest Discord supervillain. If you guys are not up to par with the Discord lore, check out the description. The Discord link is in the description. You can join, figure out what's going on there. There's a lot of drama, some betrayals, backstabbings. There's love triangles. It's a crazy time. Let's see. So we're probably for sure going to get a wick to the downside at the very least. Do we get some pullback? I don't know. We are significantly above our blue line now. So we might get a pullback. We might get a full bearish engulfing candle. I don't know. And if we are following the fractal, we could even pull back a little more. But again, the fractal is just an idea. That's not a factual thing. We're not saying we believe that this is what's going to happen. We're just saying this is a possibility based on previous price action and the pattern that was forming in the chart. Drew said, what women think of a perfect man? They think Fahid. Drew, also very smart, very handsome. Not as handsome as Fahid, though. Fahid is number 1. And we must acknowledge that as a people. Otherwise, that makes us more ugly if we're not willing to admit it. Guys, should we save our ETH Memecoin DCA for tomorrow, or should we do it today? Because tomorrow we're probably for sure going to do our off-the-grid stream. I hope. I can't believe they're still saying that it's going to arrive. They got 45 minutes to get this thing to my door. There's no way. Yeah, there's no way. It's definitely going to show up tomorrow. Dark Magician Girl is up 24% in the last 24 hours. Really interesting. Very interesting. Let's go to the sort by volume, see what ETH memes we can pull up. Clint said LMAO. Drew said Imagine said in whisper. Oh, okay, I get it. I don't have a beard. You got me beat, sir. Drew, I only have a beard because the hair on my head got sucked back into my skull and came out of my face. I got a lot of hair on the sides of my head, nothing up top, and then a full, big, beautiful Jack Black-esque beard. This is what I look like, but I'm bald. Like, imagine this, bald on top. This is me on my way to work. Jack Black is such a damn legend. Yeah, no joke. Like, legit, though. Like, jokes aside, this is pretty much what my beard looks like. Knucklebuster, yo! What up, Knucklebuster? Drew said, I have a luscious head of hair and 67% muscle mass. Knucklebuster said, stop it. Oh, shit. No, my beard looks just like this. This specific photo right here. My head's bald, but I have a beautiful, luscious Jack Black beard. Jack Black in his prime beard. Now, will it gray out, look like his beard currently? Jury's out. I don't know. It could. As of right now, it's just a luscious, curly, brown beard. Philly said, dudes. Knucklebuster said, what's up, homie? Philly said, dudes again. What's going on, Philly? We're looking for ETH memes. I don't want to wrap my ETH. That seems like such a pain in the ass. Can I just buy it with regular ETH? Why do I have to wrap everything? There are no ETH memes in the top 100. What the fuck? Volt. Okay, this is better. Motherload. Bog. Dog. What? This one's kind of funny. I'm not buying this one. No Fap. Shit, that's a great one. It's only 6 days old, though. Billy said, sup, KB. Knucklebuster said, Jack Black rules. Knucklebuster, we know. Jack Black is an American treasure. National treasure. He should be protected at all costs. I wish he was my dad. And not just because my dad died. When I was 12. Philly said, JJ, you need to do a beard reveal. Philly, we got goals for that, buddy. The beard reveal will happen when the face reveal happens. Let me show you. You actually helped contribute to option number 2, Philly. We got face reveal goal option 1. We are at 126 subscribers, which is 21%. That's doing very good. It's catching up. Face reveal goal option 2, $500 goal. We are at 22%, I believe, at it might be 23% now. $116 at a $500 goal. The face reveal option 1 is a 600 subscriber goal, so that one's a little harder to achieve because this is, I don't know. I'm not gonna fucking charge you guys $600 to see my face, but I will charge you $5 if you want to see it early, which is up to you guys. It's up to you guys. Drew said, "What's good, Knuckles?" Answer, Philly. Guys, we're looking for an ETH meme. Dang, PP came down. Why is it so hard to find ETH memes? We got base memes, but I don't want to wrap my fucking ETH. Am I gonna have to wrap my ETH? I don't even know what this is. Titan X, Motherload, wrapped ETH. Yeah, I gotta wrap my ETH. This is such a pain in the ass, guys. It's so hard. Motherload. I don't know anything about this. Is it new? October 18th? Yeah, I'm not gonna buy this. No, thank you. Bog. Okay, this one's older. October 12th? Very old. Jeez. What is going on, guys? Is there any older ETH memes that are, like, alive still? Dog. Okay. What is this? Wrapped staked ETH? What is this, man? How do I do anything? I might just convert my ETH to Sol. Drew said, chilling, about to go grab my dinner. Hell yeah, Drew. What do you have? Billy said, JJ, what's the subscriber goal for face reveal again? It is a 600 subscriber goal. Drew said, I ordered some chicken pho with extra veggies. I don't know what that is, but yum. I like chicken. Everybody likes chicken. How do I buy this? Guys, what the fuck is WST ETH? West ETH? They need to calm down with these fucking wrapped shit. What? Okay, see, this is normal. What and wrapped ETH? It's number four fire. This is so stupid. Oh shit. $9.6 million market cap. It's currently in the process of rugging. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna do ETH memes, guys. I feel like a jackass doing ETH memes. Like, what the fuck is this? Stupid. I do like it though. It's pretty funny. Like the Watt meme is hilarious. This specifically is what comes to mind. The old lady. Or the John C. Riley. Classic. Instant classic, guys. I don't know. Maybe we buy some Watt. It is funny. Let's go check out their Twitter. Philly said, dog coin. How generic. Exactly. The time has come for what? The creator of Pepe, Matt Fury's pet rat, to show his greatness. Okay, joined June 2024. 23,000 followers. Very cool. Maybe we should buy this. Let's do it, guys. I'm going to buy some Watt. How to wrap my ETH. So I got to do it on MoonPay. Can I just do it on a fucking bridge or something? I think I can wrap it on Uniswap, can't I? Drew said, bro, how do you not know what pho is? There's an emoji for it. Drew, I live in Michigan. I hardly know what clean water is. Give me a break. Give me a break. What's in the box? Okay, let's see if we can wrap our ETH. Doo-doo-doo. Introducing Unichain. Yep. We heard about that. That's why Uni is pumping. Weak. Wrapped Ether? Which one? Okay, this one's on Polygon. What's happening? Hello? Yeah? Okay. Do it. Oh, don't do that. Get out of here. Do I have to type it in here? Okay. Not enough ETH. Okay, that's right. I need a transaction fee or whatever. Jeez. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Billy said, is pho Vietnamese? Drew said yes. the one true foe. Billy said, not sure what it is, but I've seen the menus. Drew said, Kit Kat bar. Drew also said, it's awesome soup, to put it bluntly. Billy said, JJ, no, ETH memes. It's done. Billy. This is all I thought of. It's done. It's done. Guys, check out the description. Go follow me on Twitter. I should put my TikTok in there too, I guess. Guys, I wrapped my ETH. We got wrapped ETH. We got WETH, which is a stupid ticker, but whatever. We're gonna buy what? Because it's funny. I wonder if this is inspired. Dude, okay, no. They said it was the Pepe guy's pet rat. But what about the video of Vitalik where the girl asks him a question about dating or something and he just goes, "What?" Oh shit. Let me see if I can find it. Yep. Oh no, there's a compilation of cringe. Is this mean? Is it mean if I put this on? Let's just watch it. Let's laugh at it. Every creator's cringe. Let's watch some Vitalik cringe. I'm a Cardano maxi. Charles is cringe as fuck too. So we can all cringe together.
What's your favorite pickup line?
What?
Okay.
Oh no, not the penis.
Exists and like thinking through, you know.
See, wait a minute. How are you gonna talk shit about Charles? He wears the same goofy shit. They're both fucking weirdos.
The Lightning Network, state channels, plasma, roll-ups, sharding.
Sharding? I mean, don't shit on the first suit.
Welcome to Blockchain Insider. I'm Simon Taylor. I'm joined as always by Colin G. Platt. Colin G. Platt.
Somebody's probably got some fugly shoes or something.
From a single project on a single call.
Oh my god, that one's like ringing in my ears. Can you guys hear this? I'm not looking at the audio levels.
Actually, I think that's perfectly great. Yeah. If you can find a way to like splice it in on your connection, have fun. But...
Okay.
Danke.
方面呢，文化中国文。
No. Danke.
方面呢，文化中国文化有没有吸引你的？对。
Facebook, Twitter.
What the fuck? Alright, I gotta shut this off. This is making me uncomfortable. Let's just buy this damn meme. Trade on Uniswap. Here we go. Okay, let me look at the chat again really quick. Billy said you make $100 profit on ETH memes and it costs you $85 in gas to get out of it. That's okay. Gas is cheap right now. It's only $5. We'll survive. It better not cost that much. That'll piss me off. Let's see. Yeah, the gas that I just paid to convert this was only like $1 something. So I think we'll be okay. Phantom. Connect. We're gonna... Yeah, we got 0.096. We're not gonna do the whole thing. Let's do half. Let's do 4.5. Which is $11. We're gonna put $11 into what? I'm not gonna give them a tip because fuck them. Prove WETH. Guys, we're buying some meme coins. Transaction might fail because there's not enough ETH to cover. What? What? God damn it, Philly. Why'd you have to jinx it? 12:27, about 30 seconds. There's enough ETH to cover that. What are you talking about? Oh, I have to pay for it in ETH by itself? Oh my gosh. Are you crazy? Alright, let me see. Can I just fucking convert this to Sol or something? Is that an option? No. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'll fuck around with that later. What a mess. Damn you, Philly. Why are you always right? Guys, Bitcoin's looking totally fine. Looking good. Looking good. I'm so bummed about our fucking memes. I'm not gonna spend more money on ETH for the fucking transaction. That's so lame. Ugh. How could this happen to me? Drew said, discovering why ETH sucks in real time. Fucking love it. It doesn't suck. I just forgot that I have to pay the transaction fee in ETH and not WETH. Like, why do I have to wrap the ETH to fucking trade? It's stupid. Fahid said, LOL Philly, the one thing I hate about ETH is failed transactions. Fahid, that happens on Sol too, though. Drew said, send more ETH. That's what you have to do. Philly said, ha 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 ha. Sorry, JJ, I had to. Damn you, Philly. See you. Ugh, that's fucked up. I'm super upset. I wanted to buy this dumbass meme. Watch it fucking moon now. I will say there's a very large quantity of time in between transactions, which is weird. Now, you know what? I'm done. I'm gonna convert the shit back to fucking Sol, and we're gonna buy some Sol memes because fuck ETH. Piss me off. ETH has been around for so long. Why is it this much of a pain in the ass for somebody to do anything on it? Holy shit. I can't even convert it back? Oh my gosh! This is ridiculous. Now I gotta buy ETH again. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna have to buy ETH, send it here, I'm gonna have to pay like 4 transaction fees. Oh, what a waste of time. Okay, let's see if we can get this done quick. Guys, I hate to say it. ETH sucks. I fucking hate ETH. This is the dumbest thing I think I've ever had to do in crypto. What an absolute... What a meme. This is ridiculous. Okay, I gotta wait for my stupid text message now. Oh, guys, just a warning. A word of warning. There are random scams that, like, go around and comment on crypto things. And they're like, I need help, my seed phrase is blah, blah, blah. Don't actually try to enter that seed phrase anywhere. You will most likely interact with something that will, like, drain your entire portfolio. Just a word of warning. They're pretty much unstoppable. I'm not going to go through and delete their stupid messages every single video that I upload. But just be warned, guys. They exist. They're out there. They're pretty dumb. Let's see. Fahid said Soul Gas. Philly Soul is the hot chick who just graduated, and Sweet is a cheerleader. Philly said, JJ, good luck transferring Rack ETH back. Drew said, I wasn't joking about having to send more ETH. I know. Yeah, I know. I figured that out. You guys are monsters. Fahid said ETH has become a dinosaur. Fahid, I think ETH was always a dinosaur. Now it's just like, it's not even a fun dinosaur. It's like a pissy dinosaur. Like, nobody wants to be around it anymore. Because it's like, do you know who I am? And everyone's like, oh, ugh, problematic. So, unfortunately, that's just the way that it has to be.
Drew said, "This is why I hate it. I always kept 1.1 for transactions." Billy said, "Tonight's show topic, buying ETH memes, LMAO." Apparently not. Tonight's show topic, showing you why you shouldn't buy ETH memes, because fuck ETH. What? What a fucking waste of time. Thank you, Vitalik. It's his fault directly. Damn him. What is this stupid shit? Guys, Bitcoin looks totally fine. Doop doo doop doo doo doop doop doo doop doo doop doo doop doo. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that my package is gonna arrive within the next 24 minutes or no? But he'd said ETH L2's made it good, but they're all dying chains except base. Drew said, "We're too poor to do that, Philly. You need at least 6 figures of extra liquidity to do that regularly." Fahid said, "LOL." Billy said, "Better common crypto scam. YouTube comment conversations that always lead to, 'I've made millions trading with Mrs. Elizabeth.'" Those ones are at least harmless. You're like, you're clearly trying to sell me something when they're like, "Oh, have you traded with so-and-so? Their video, whatever the fuck. Go join their crap." But the ones where they're like, "I need help. This is my seed phrase." There's going to be some naive new kid in crypto that just put 10 grand into a wallet, and he's going to be like, "Oh, this dumbass just put their seed phrase," which I guess it's kind of karma. If you're trying to steal somebody's money, that's your own fault. But just don't fall for it. Let's see. Did our ETH arrive yet so we could get out of this shithole? Yes, it did. All right, let's get this crap out of here. I'm not going to fucking do this ever again. This is stupid. I'm pissed. Is that right? Why is it 0.9? I'm on 0.01. Yeah. Why does it say insufficient ETH? Is that what we have? It is. Okay. Unwrap. Please and thank you. It's going to cost me $1.25. So I'm going to end up spending $5 after all of this. Not including the fees that I paid at fucking Coinbase. And then I'm going to have to pay again to convert the ETH to Sol, because Sol is clearly superior. Unwrapped. Fuck you. Stupid bullshit. Can I fucking turn this into Sol here? Or do I gotta do it through Coinbase? What's Wormhole? I'm not dealing with that. I'm gonna just send this back. Send this back to Coinbase and pay their fees. Drew said I would love to meet her. Drew's ready to sign up for Mrs. Elizabeth's excellent trading class, where she always wins. Let's refresh the liquidation heat map. Go to the 12-hour. We are looking the same that we were looking earlier. If I had to guess, they're probably going to take this. It's probably going to go down a little bit lower, and then they're going to skyrocket and take this, and any other cocky, horny bulls that happen in between there. Drew said, yep, Drew said I would love to meet her. We read that already. Bitcoin's doing a whole lot of nothing. Guys, we got some memes saved up on Twitter. Should I go through them right now, or should I save them for tomorrow? I guess we're doing our off-the-grid stream tomorrow, so I'll go through them. This is the first one. This one's just a badass, I guess, a tactical boat. I don't know why anyone would ever need this, but it's fucking sick, and I want one. Billy said, "Nice ETH profits, JJ. LMAO. I never saw anyone lose half their investment without investing." Billy, where have you been? We do that all the time. This shit I just thought was hilarious. I fucking love roller skating. I've never been on rollerblades, but they need to bring back roller rinks, guys. We need to normalize roller rinks again. This shit's too much fun. This is me and the boys trading soul memes because ETH memes suck ass because ETH sucks ass. This one was really funny, guys. I try not to be about politics, but this is it's a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna allow it this one time.
I'm Harump Wallens, and I'm running for president of these United States. My platform is simple. I'm going to open the border and let everybody in, and then snatch them up when they come across and send them back. I'm going to lower your taxes and put money back in your pocket. And I'm going to raise your other taxes and take that money back right out of that pocket. And I will ensure that every woman has the right to choose which man that they're going to listen to about what to do with their own bodies. Harump Wallace, we're not going back to take back America again.
I thought that was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Super clever. This one was also really funny. The original like Tomb Raider PlayStation 1 graphics, and then the Netflix show Batman. Where are they? It's pretty great. This one is also really great. Important announcement regarding the future miles of Used Car. Used Car is now officially a community-driven project, a team consisting of OG supporters who are more committed than ever to the meme and community have been working tirelessly in the garage.
I just got 3 things to say.
Great music. I'm totally gonna get in trouble. But the used car community is fucking crazy. This shit's hilarious. You know what? I'm probably gonna put all that ETH into used car because it made me laugh. Josh said Tron is cheapest. Josh, maybe we'll check out some Tron memes. We learned today that ETH memes suck. This video is just really funny. He like winds up and he hits him perfectly. Come on. Oh, that's great. Bam. Priceless. Oh, this one was really good too. Play this one.
Leave me alone. Why do you keep following me? It's honestly so creepy, and I'm gonna call the cops. Okay?
Man, no.
Because you guys aren't leaving me alone, and that's why women can't go out in the world by themselves. Because the guys.
You didn't even close it.
Yeah, take the L and drive away. The Heat said Tron is so September. Shake my head when I just can't stand the bandwidth quotas. I don't know what any of that means. This one was really funny. This guy's trying to befriend this coyote and it just bites him. That's why I don't mess around with wild animals. Oh, this one I also thought was funny. I'm sorry, if society's collapsing, guys, I'm probably gonna loot. Like, call me an asshole, call me a degenerate, whatever. If society's collapsing, I'm gonna loot. I'm gonna enjoy it. This one was really good. This guy's trying to kill a mole, and he destroys the mole is destroying his yard, so he decides he's gonna kill it, and then this happens. He destroys his entire yard. What a jackass. This one was really funny. This guy's just dancing. Oh, shit. That's pretty good. I mean, you shoot your shot. Guys who cook deserve unlimited blowjobs. Gordon Ramsay, hashtag Monday Motivation. Josh said Tron is also the only thing that didn't dump since March. Billy said, JJ, I kind of wonder if these are staged or not. You see the video of the girl trying to get gas tank door for her Tesla? Yeah, I've seen that. Fahid said Tron has sort of a bandwidth limit on how many transactions you can make in a day. It's some weird RPG mana-like system. Interesting. That's very interesting. This one I thought was great because there's never any dark mode on the news websites. How dark mode users describe light mode. This is exactly how it actually is, guys. I don't know what to tell you. It's just how it is. This one's great. This is thief getting instant karma. He tries to steal this lady's purse. Everyone's paying their way. This dumbass kid gets on and he goes to take this lady's bag. Watch him. He goes to grab it, and then he's like, ah ha ha, I'm just kidding. Oh. And then the guy locks his hands in the door, and the bus driver takes out this bat and just beats the shit out of him while he's driving. Bus driver of the year. Absolute legend. Kid's hand is stuck in the door. Don't fucking be a thief. This is what you get. Fuck you. I love this video. And it goes on for 2 minutes. He just keeps beating the shit out of him. And then he waves down the police and they get the kid. I don't know. It's so good. It's so good. Let's see. This one is so true. I don't know if any of you guys have a spouse. When you're driving and the spouse is in the passenger seat, maybe Clint can attest to this. My fiance does this shit. And it's hilarious.
There's a spot. That's a spot. That was a spot. Oh, there's another spot over here. Get that spot. Get that spot. Get that spot. Yes. Yes. Where are you going? You know you're taking the long way, right? Do you see the stop sign? Stop. Stop.
I am.
Stop.
I always stop at the stop sign.
Your foot wasn't on the brake. Can we get Chick-fil-A?
Do it one more time, sorry. What?
Did you not see that bird flying? It's so cold in here. I told you we should have went the other way. There's always traffic here. And now we're sitting here and we're going to be 3 minutes late because we could have went the other way. A turtle.
This shit. The fucking, Did you not see that bird fly? It's just, it's too real.
What? What?
The fucking yell. It's so fucking real. It's so real. This one I thought was really good as well. When you complete all the side quests in a game before starting the main story.
Ah, traveler, finally you've come. I've been waiting for you.
You're right, mate.
To set you on your mission, I give you this, a copper sword.
Oh, that's nice of you. I've actually already got this one, though.
How the fuck have you got the sword of 1,000 souls?
Yeah, have done a few side quests.
Side quest, is
before
it?
coming to meet you.
Okay, sure. Well, you'll be ready then for your first mission. Take on this beast, but be careful. Their bite is vicious. Right. Someone's been a busy wizard, haven't they?
Yeah.
Right, that's fucking mental. Sorry.
Did grind the magic to level 100.
Did you now?
I did.
But this is the first mission. You should have come here first.
Sorry, mate.
Right. Okay, well, you haven't got this yet. The Crystal of Elimination.
Yeah, I have got 50.
Really?
So you can hang on to that.
Okay. Every adventurer needs a horse. Take my steed.
I have actually been riding a dragon.
Fuck. Well, I'm sure you haven't met Beedle. Meet him for the first time.
Yeah, we go way back.
Really?
Yeah, I bought him his third house, I think.
No shit.
Yeah.
Look upon the skyline. A whole world awaits you.
I've unlocked the whole map.
Have you really?
I have indeed.
If you sustain damage in battle, drink a healing potion.
Sell.
What?
Sell.
No.
Sell.
No. Give the carrot truth.
I got 3,000 of those.
Fuck's sake. Right, so you've done everything. Let's just do the final boss then. Go on. Is this even fun for you?
I'm just here for the trophies.
Right.
This shit's too real. If you do the side quests before the main story, you can just make your character OP, and then the rest of the game kind of sucks ass. Really cool footage of a capybara running underwater. We gotta find a capybara meme coin to buy, guys. Billy said, "Holy shit!" while trying to park. That's my wife. I had to grab her car keys, wanting to get back in the car to move it because she found a parking place 3 spots closer. I always get in trouble because I'll go through every single aisle of the parking lot to find a close parking spot. This one was just really neat. I didn't realize that they were super fast underwater. Here's a real life picture from Clint, actually, of his chainsaw. And then this one, trigger warning: if you are sensitive to poop, do not watch this video. I'm gonna mute it because there's no sound. There's no sound worth hearing. This dude's just trying to take a shit, and these guys literally break into the stall while he's trying to take a shit. And they're beating the shit out of each other, trying to avoid him, and the guy gets pissed off. Ready? He's like, really? And then he grabs his ass and wipes shit on their face. They freak out, and then I think he freaks himself out. and he falls at the end. I'm not sure what happens. He wipes poop on their face. They freak out, run out, and then he falls over for some reason. I don't know what happened. It's crazy. Okay. Stop worrying about what other people think. I mean, have you met other people? They're awful. This one, just true. Just true. Guys, just don't be insecure. This one was hilarious. The narration of this is great. It might get a little bit loud though, so a little sound warning for you guys.
Leave me alone! I can't take this no more, bro. Man, this dude gonna make me kill him, bro. Man, let me relax, man. This ain't even my...
Alright, that's basically it. The turtle yelling, it kills me. That shit's too funny. This one was just super duper wholesome. These students are in a Zoom class and something happens.
What's that? What? I think she farted.
Fucking the laugh. It's just so wholesome.
That was a big one. What's that?
I don't know who that was.
It was huge.
This is just, it's too wholesome, guys. This is great. Somebody farted on the Zoom. If you knew what I know, Cardano bullish as fuck. The Matthew McConaughey smoking a cigarette, all coked up from True Detective. Me acting like I'm cool with a crackhead at the bus station so he doesn't stab the fuck out of me. And then Soul Jakey just fucking zooming.
They said, oh, he broke his arm. He'll never get a UTV again. They were wrong.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie. UTV is kind of a bitch move, I will say. I like Soul Jakey, but UTV, kind of a bitch move. Where's the four-wheeler, bro? Where's the four-wheeler? Where's the dirt bike? Drew said, what are memes? Philly said, LOL, that poop video is God. Fahid said, blasphemy, Philly. Philly said, Drew, typo. He meant moms. Fahid said, Drew, what you're watching are memes, sir. We are watching memes. This one is hilarious. This is the Jumbotron kid. We got an update from the Jumbotron kid. Here we go.
Putting a beer fridge in my parents' house.
When I saw this fridge, I knew it was the perfect thing to turn my alcoholic parents' house into a home.
My alcoholic parents' house into a home.
What the fuck, dude? Oh! When I first seen it back there, I was like, dude, did this asshole just really put a freaking red box in my house? I thought I was gonna get movies. This thing is sweet. Between this and the Jumbotron, we need a man cave. We need to build a man cave. Your mom won't be allowed. It'll be like in 6th grade or some shit. You put do not disturb, only boys allowed. Woo! Feel like John Cena up in here. Woo! This happened today. How cool is this motherfucker? That's what I'm talking about.
This just reminds me of Viva La Bam. Bam Margera always messing with his mom.
Feel like John Cena.
Putting a
and then here's the last one. Girls who put the Playboy Bunny sticker on themselves in the tanning bed in 7th grade are all in jail now. Pretty sure this is true. Don't fact check it. Guys, Bitcoin's doing a whole lot of nothing. It's just kind of choppy. I'm probably gonna call it a stream. We got 5 people watching, guys. Thank you for joining. Hit the like button on your way out. We're at 126 subscribers. It's looking good. If anything happens in the market, I'll probably jump back on. I might jump back on later just for the hell of it. Really quick, let me do the update for the face reveal once more. Face reveal goal option 1. We are at 126 subscribers, which is 21%. And face reveal goal option 2. Face reveal goal option 1. The goal is 600 subs. Face reveal goal option 2, $500 US goal. We got $116 out of that, which is 23%, I believe. So we're doing good on that front, guys. Thank you for joining me on this lovely Friday evening. Tomorrow's Saturday. We might be back on later on tonight, either for some more crypto or maybe some video games. Thank you guys, though, for joining. Take it easy. Have a good weekend. Happy Friday. Peace.